In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Midjourney. If you spend a lot of time browsing images or prompting on the site, switching to a darker theme can make a big difference. It reduces eye strain, especially in low light environments, helps your content stand out against a softer background, and can even feel a bit more focused and immersive. The process is quick, and once you know where to look, you can toggle it on or off in seconds. First, open your preferred web browser and head to midjourney.com. You'll land on the Midjourney website where you can explore galleries, your own creations, or other community content. Make sure the page fully loads so all interface elements are visible. You don't need to dig through settings or menus for this. Midjourney puts the appearance control right on the main interface, so it's easy to find and use whenever you want to change how the site looks. Now look down toward the lower left corner of the page. You should see an appearance toggle labeled light mode if the site is currently in the default light theme. Click that label. A small selector will open and you'll see the option for dark mode. Go ahead and click dark mode. The change applies immediately. The background shifts to a deeper tone, text and interface elements adjust for better contrast, and the overall look becomes much easier on the eyes, especially in dim rooms or during longer sessions. There's nothing else you need to save or confirm. The site updates right away. If at any point you want to switch back, return to the same spot in the lower left corner. When dark mode is active, the label will reflect that, and clicking it again lets you choose light mode. The control stays in the same place across pages, so you can toggle the theme whenever it suits your environment. Typically, Midjourney remembers your choice on the device and browser you're using. If you clear site data or switch devices, you may just need to set your preference again. That's all there is to it. You visited midjourney.com, found the appearance toggle in the lower left corner, clicked the current theme label, and selected dark mode. Enjoy a more comfortable viewing experience while you explore and create. If this was helpful, feel free to replay any part to follow along as you switch themes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy browsing Midjourney in dark mode.